What we're going to do, we're going to pressure test pipework. Normally with a pressure test process, we're looking at testing new installations prior to commissioning. But for these purposes, we're going to test the pipework we've got feeding these trough basin here. We've disconnected the supply and we're going to connect our pressure test hose to the outgoing supply from the temperature mixing valve. Because it is a joint that has been made a few times before, we're going to use a little bit of jointing compound. Just smear it around the olive. Very important that it only goes on the olive. We're not going to put it on the threads. So connect it on there. Connect the hose up. Do it up as far as you can, hand tight. Then with a pair of adjustable spanners, just pinch it up. Right. Now, because we're testing rigid pipework, we know that the operating pressure here is 3 bar. Important fact is we test to 1.5 times the maximum working pressure. We know we've got 3 bar coming in, so we will test it to 4.5 bar. So what I'll do is I'll pump the machine up to 4.5 bar. Make sure the valve is shut. There we go, that's 4.5 bar. Now what we'll do is we'll let it stand there for 30 minutes to make sure the pressure is stabilised, and then we'll put it on for a 30-minute test, 60 minutes in total. Well, that's 30 minutes gone. The pressure is exactly the same. It has an increase in pressure. Sometimes what happens when you're putting very cold water into a system, then it will expand, so the pressure may well go up. So we're quite happy that's still on 4.5 bar, so now we can leave it for 30 minutes for testing. Well, that's an hour gone and the pressure is still 4.5 bar, so we're quite happy that that pipework is safe and sound, no leaks, so we'll release the pressure. And disconnect the hose. So we're quite confident now that that can work a 3 bar pressure. We've tested up to 4.5 bar for over an hour, and we're quite confident it's okay.